Do you ever wonder what you're truly capable of achieving? Many of us journey through the twists and turns of this life, blind to the incredible reservoir of power that lies within us. But today, we're flipping the script. Prepare yourself for a transformative experience that will unlock your hidden capabilities and elevate your potential. I'm Spiritual Thinker, and I'm here to help you unlock the amazing power you have inside. Get ready. We're going to take your life to the next level together. Believe in yourself. Go deeper. It's one thing to say you believe in yourself, but another to embody that belief. Dig deeper than surface-level confidence. Strive for a soul-deep conviction that you're destined for something big. When you believe in yourself so much, you'll find the courage to step out of your comfort zone. After all, the real magic happens outside of it. Visualization, the next level. It's not just about seeing a picture in your head. It's about living the experience before it happens. Imagine the emotions, the tactile sensations, and the community that surrounds your success. This is a step beyond daydreaming. It's crafting a mental blueprint of your future reality. Positivity, the ripple effect. Being positive is more than just a mindset. It's a lifestyle. Venture beyond merely avoiding negativity and disempowering thoughts. Instead, actively seek experiences that nourish your soul. Attend events that inspire you. Read books that uplift you. And don't forget to be that positive force in someone else's life too. The art of taking action. Planning is nothing without action. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks and assign specific deadlines for each. This way you create a roadmap for your journey, making it easier to track your progress and stay committed. But don't stop there. Celebrate each small victory. Acknowledging your progress keeps you fueled for the long haul. You're not just building a future, you're crafting a legacy. Embrace failure, your personal teacher. Instead of dreading failure, start seeing it as the world's most brutally honest teacher. Every setback you encounter is really a disguised learning opportunity, offering you valuable insights. It's your capacity to adapt, learn, and evolve from these experiences that truly distinguishes you on your path to success. After all, the most successful people aren't those who never fail, but those who never quit. Practice gratitude, the power of thanks. The energy you send out into the world has a ripple effect. Taking time to focus on gratitude not only elevates your mood, but also shifts your energy to a higher, more positive frequency. This shift is more than just psychological. It actually attracts better opportunities and deeper relationships into your life. Your thankful attitude turns into a magnet for more experiences that reinforce your sense of gratitude, creating a virtuous cycle. Trust the universe. The big picture. Life's uncertainties shouldn't be seen as obstacles. Think of them as unexpected side routes that often lead to remarkable places you never saw coming. While it's important to set your eyes on your ultimate goal, relinquish the need to micromanage each step. Often, the most enriching experiences come when you least expect them, adding layers of depth and meaning to your journey. Be relentless. The power of persistent success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Don't merely chase your dreams, pursue them with an unwavering resolve, telling yourself, "Nothing holds me back." When challenges arise, and they will, remember the initial spark that set you on this path. That enduring why will keep you going, fueling your resolve through every twist and turn. The art of mindfulness, living in the moment. The choices you make today are the architects of your future, far more so than any plans or promises for tomorrow. Practicing mindfulness and fully immersing yourself in the present moment lays a strong foundation for navigating future challenges. You're not just resilient, you're better focused and emotionally balanced, making you well-equipped for the future's challenges and opportunities. This is how you craft a meaningful life, one present moment at a time. Now that we reach the end of this transformative journey, the conclusion is that you are an untapped reservoir of potential waiting to be unleashed. Now, fully equipped with the blueprint to build the skyscraper of your life. Now is the time to seize the wheel and steer towards your dreams. If you found value in this message and want more keys to unlocking your potential, hit that subscribe button. Let's build our dream lives together.